DBT packages, reusability, and ecosystem integration. Welcome to ZoomInData. As DBT projects grow across teams and organizations, writing everything from scratch is neither efficient nor scalable. In this section, we focus on DBT packages, reusability, and ecosystem integration, where you'll learn how DBT enables shared logic, standardized transformations, and seamless integration with the modern data stack. This topic explains how teams accelerate development using reusable components, maintain consistency across projects, and connect DBT with orchestration, BI tools, and cloud platforms. These concepts are commonly discussed in real-time projects and advanced interviews. Subscribe to ZoomInData for structured DBT learning, real-world project explanations, and interview-focused content designed for production-ready skills. What are DBT packages? Answer: DBT packages are reusable collections of models, macros, and tests. They help avoid rewriting common logic. Packages are maintained by the DBT community or organizations. Using packages speeds up development and improves consistency. Why are DBT packages used in projects? Answer: they reduce development effort, provide standardized and tested logic, improve reliability and maintainability, allow teams to follow industry best practices quickly. What is DBT Utils package? Answer: DBT Utils is a popular community-maintained DBT package. It provides commonly used macros and tests. Examples include surrogate key generation and generic tests. It is widely used in real-time DBT projects. How are DBT packages installed? Answer: packages are defined in the packages.yml file. DBT downloads them using DBT deps. Version numbers can be specified for stability. This ensures controlled dependency management. What is reusability in DBT? Answer: reusability means using the same logic across multiple models or projects. DBT supports reusability through macros, packages, and ref. It reduces duplication and errors, makes projects easier to maintain. What are macros in DBT? Answer: macros are reusable SQL or Ginger functions. They encapsulate repeated logic. DBT macros promote standardization. Changes in macros apply everywhere they are used. Why should logic be reused in DBT projects? Answer: reusing logic avoids inconsistencies, reduces development and testing time. DBT projects become easier to scale, improves code quality across teams. What is ecosystem integration in DBT? Answer: ecosystem integration refers to DBT working with other data tools. Includes warehouses, orchestration tools, and BI platforms. DBT acts as the transformation layer. Integration enables end-to-end data pipelines. How do DBT packages improve team collaboration? Answer: shared logic ensures consistency across teams, reduces disagreements on implementation patterns. DBT packages act as shared standards. Collaboration becomes more efficient. How does versioning work in DBT packages? Answer: package versions are defined in packages.yml. Teams can lock specific versions. Prevents breaking changes from affecting pipelines. Supports stable production deployments. What is the role of custom packages in DBT? Answer: organizations can create internal DBT packages. These contain company-specific logic. Promotes reuse across multiple projects. Helps enforce internal standards. How does DBT integrate with orchestration tools? Answer: DBT is triggered by orchestrators like Airflow or Dagster. Orchestrators manage scheduling and retries. DBT focuses only on transformations. Integration creates reliable pipelines. How does DBT integrate with cloud data warehouses? Answer: DBT connects directly to warehouses like Snowflake or BigQuery. SQL runs inside the warehouse. DBT leverages warehouse scalability. No data movement is required. How does DBT support by-tool integration? Answer: DBT creates analytics-ready tables and views. By-tools query DBT outputs directly. Consistent models improve reporting accuracy. DBT acts as a trusted data layer. What are the risks of overusing DBT packages? Answer: too many dependencies can complicate debugging. Updates may introduce breaking changes. Teams must understand package logic. Proper version control is essential. How do macros and packages differ in DBT? Answer: macros are individual reusable functions. Packages are collections of models and macros. Macros can exist inside packages. Both support reusability at different levels. How does DBT support standardization across projects? Answer: packages enforce shared patterns. Macros standardize calculations. Naming conventions are reused. DBT ensures consistency at scale. How does DBT enable cross-project reuse at scale? Answer: internal packages share logic across repositories. Versioning ensures controlled upgrades. Teams reuse tested transformations. This enables enterprise-level scalability. How does DBT fit into the modern data stack? Answer: DBT acts as the transformation layer. Works with ingestion tools, warehouses, and buy tools. Separates responsibilities cleanly. Simplifies data architecture. What challenges arise when managing multiple DBT packages? Answer: dependency conflicts may occur. Version upgrades require testing. Documentation becomes critical. Governance is required for stability. How does DBT support maintainability through reusability? Answer: central logic reduces duplicated code. Changes are made in one place. DBT projects become easier to update. Maintenance effort decreases significantly. How do DBT packages help with onboarding new team members? Answer: standard logic is already available. New developers follow existing patterns. Documentation within packages provides guidance. Learning curve is reduced. How can poor package management impact DBT projects? Answer: breaking changes may affect production. Debugging becomes harder. Overdependence reduces flexibility. Careful governance is required. How does DBT encourage modular ecosystem design? Answer: clear separation of ingestion, transformation, and reporting. DBT focuses only on transformations. Other tools handle orchestration and visualization. This modularity improves scalability. Why is knowledge of DBT packages important for interviews? Answer: shows real-world DBT experience. Demonstrates ability to scale projects. Reflects enterprise-level thinking. Strong understanding differentiates candidates. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow ZoomInData for more DBT learning content. For real-time DBT projects and interview preparation, contact ZoomInData. See you in the next video.